Okay, just figured I'd show you all this. Right down there's the old boat ramp where that little, right on this side of the bridge where a little island looking like thing, whatever it is right there. And then they decided to do this. Put in a brand new boat ramp. I showed this before, but now the water's down. There is probably a 1.5 foot drop right there. You can see where people already hit their boats on it. Already bent their axles and everything else. Took a couple pieces of concrete out. And it's probably 2.5 foot deep on this side. So it ain't even good enough to get out a kayak without falling in. So basically you got to bring your kayak over here and jump in the water. But it was supposed to be a boat ramp. It's a nice section through here. But we'll just put them in sideways here on the gravel and run on upstream. Won't be too bad. It's a nice little section of river. I guess it keeps more people out then. I think they closed the other boat ramp down. But I cannot believe they have done this down here. I mean, that's like no common sense, but I don't know. Help this state, I guess. Y'all enjoy. Have a good day. We'll see you on the next one.